Today we're creating a quick and flawless 10 minutes makeup look, which is perfect for every occasion. Whether you're heading to work or meeting friends, it doesn't matter. This makeup covers it all. Or maybe you're going out for a special event. This routine will have you looking effortlessly polished in no time. First thing first, pour your foundation at the back of your hand.
When I am in a hurry, I reach for my Charlotte Tilbury foundation because its lightweight, hydrating formula blends effortlessly into my skin, saving me precious time. And I always pour a little foundation onto the back of my hand first. It warms up with my body heat, making it blend more seamlessly for a natural, radiant finish. Then I take my damp beauty sponge to smooth everything out beautifully, making the blending process quicker and easier. Using a damp beauty sponge can significantly enhance the finish of your foundation. The added moisture allows for a smoother application, preventing streaks or patchiness while helping the product blend seamlessly into the skin. It also creates a more natural, radiant glow by slightly shearing out the foundation, avoiding a heavy or cakey appearance. For a quick and effortless foundation application, choosing a shade that's closest to your natural skin tone is the key. When you're in a hurry, you don't want to spend extra time layering and blending, so using the right color means you can apply just a thin layer and still get a seamless finish. Another time-saving trick is to skip full face application. Focus on the center of your face or areas that need coverage, then blend outward for a natural finish.
Second, define your brows. If you have perfect, clean brows, then you can skip this level. But I'm gonna define my brows with a brow gel.
When you are short on time, simplifying your brow routine can be a game changer. Instead of meticulously shaping and filling every gap, opt for a soft, natural look that enhances your brows effortlessly. If you need to fill in sparse areas, focus only on the tail and arc rather than outlining the entire brow, making the process quicker and more precise. And for now, I keep it super simple. I just add a sweep of brow gel. It instantly makes my brows look clean, polished, and set in place without any extra steps.
I still have time. That's good. A little bit concealer under the eyes.
I don't get too close to my under eye area because blending can become tricky and may settle into fine lines. Keeping it slightly lower allows for a more seamless finish while still brightening the area without looking heavy or cakey. This way, it blends beautifully into my foundation and keeps the complexion looking fresh and natural. And also, the warmth of your finger helps melt the concealer into the skin. And remember to use a very small amount. Less is more when it comes to touch-ups. If the concealer has creased or moved, gently tap it back into place using your fingertips or a damp beauty sponge instead of layering more product. And press it into the skin instead of sweeping.
And then with a fixing powder, I'm going to fix my concealer.
I take my translucent powder with its puff and apply just a tiny amount. I focus on setting only the areas that need it, keeping everything lightweight and fresh. This helps lock in my concealer without making it look dry or cakey, ensuring a smooth, natural finish. And avoid over powdering as it can make the concealer look dry and cakey.
With a fluffy brush, I'm gonna get rid of the powder.
To remove excess fixing powder, I take a large fluffy brush and gently sweep it across my face using light motions.
Now I'm gonna take my blush and I'm gonna add it on my cheeks. Just a few dots, and then I'm gonna blend it with my fingers first. After that, I'm gonna use my beauty sponge.
The reason that I'm using this liquid Chiclan blush is that it blends super fast into my skin. Since it has a smoother texture, it melts in without much work, making it quicker than powder blush. I just dab it onto my cheeks and blend it out. It's seamless, buildable, and gives that perfect natural flush in seconds. And the reason that I used my fingers first was to give the warmth I need for quicker blending.
For my eyes, I'm applying a black eyeshadow at the end of my eyes. Just a simple line alongside my outer corner.
I'm using this black eyeshadow at the outer corners of my eyes because it is a much quicker alternative to eyeliner, making it perfect for a fast makeup routine.
I'm gonna blend it.
Unlike eyeliner, which requires precise application and steady hands, eyeshadow is more forgiving and easier to blend. A quick dab with a brush or fingertip gives instant depth and definition without needing sharp lines or symmetry, saving time and effort. Plus, it creates a soft, smoky effect that seamlessly transitions into the rest of the eye makeup, whereas eyeliner often needs extra blending to avoid harsh edges. This method is ideal for achieving a polished, effortless look without the meticulous attention that eyeliner demands. I try to blend the eyeshadow carefully and then I extend it to my lower lash line as well.
I think that's good. Okay, now I take my eyelash curler to prepare my lashes before the mascara.
Curling your lashes before applying mascara is essential for achieving beautifully lifted and curled lashes without spending extra time trying to create the effect with just mascara.
And then I take my mascara for my lashes.
Using a volumizing and lengthening mascara is the perfect way to speed up the process while still getting bold, lifted lashes.
I still have time.
Instead of layering multiple formulas or taking extra time with different mascaras, this combo instantly adds thickness, definition, and length in just a few sweeps. The volumizing effect makes lashes look fuller, while the lengthening formula ensures they appear long and fluttery without needing additional steps. Plus, since the brush is designed to coat and separate lashes efficiently, you won't have to spend time fixing clumps or going over them multiple times. And there are also some great time-saving tricks that you can do as well. For instance, getting eyelash extensions regularly allows you to skip mascara while keeping your lashes looking full and lifted. And if you've mastered the art of applying false lashes, you can achieve dramatic length and volume in seconds instead of layering multiple coats of mascara. Both options help speed up the process while maintaining a bold lash look.
And as for my lips, I'm using this lip liner.
Using a thick crayon lip liner is the perfect shortcut for a fast lip routine.
And I feel my lips with this lip liner.
So I simplified the process because applying lipstick requires precise attention to the edges. With this step, I eliminate the need for layering separate products.
That's it. It's over. It was really easy and quick, and it is suitable for any occasions. And just like that, you're ready to take on the day with this makeup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Don't forget to comment for me that what is your 10-minute makeup look. Bye!